So when in the lab, make sure you always wear your lab coat and your safety goggles. Goggles can be found on the side counter, and the lab coats can be found in a bucket underneath the counter. In case of chemical spills, it's important that you wear your goggles. If chemical spills will get into your eye, it may cause serious damage. If in the emergency that you do get a chemical in your eye, make sure you go to the eye wash station, which is located in the front of the classroom. If you get a chemical on your skin, you can always go down to the chemical shower, which is down the hall. Welcome to the Chemical Spill Control Center. I love this place. If you ever have a spill, you should really just come here if you want to clean it up. You know what I'm saying? First thing you should do, before you work with any chemicals, always consult your MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheets. It'll tell you everything you need to know about the chemical you're using. So I'm going to do a little demonstration. My partner Zach here, could I have you just spill some of the acid? This is hydrochloric acid, very dangerous stuff, onto the table, just a bit of it. Just a tiny bit. Okay, that is a lot of, okay. So to clean this up, we're going to use the acid neutralizer. So you just, that actually says acid.
Sure, why not?
Doctor!
So you're just gonna
Doctor, I'm washing my hands.
Put it on the acid. Yep. Doctor. Ah, my hands are burning. I can't feel my fingers.
Stop it.
So, we're almost done here. We're cleaning up the spill now with some baking soda. You can see it's really neutralizing the acid. I hate chemicals. That's how you clean up a chemical spill.
Oh, look at this random chemical. I wonder what it is. Oh shoot, I spilled it. Okay, so in this situation, the first thing we have to do is to find out if it's an acid or a base, right? So come on over here to drawer 9. In drawer 9, you can find this pH paper. So in order to determine what the pH of a spill is, you would use this pH paper. So you would just take out a little square of it, and then you would just place it in the spill, like so, and wait for it to change color. Here is the chart of all the different pHs, so whatever color is on the paper should match one of these colors. So the MSDS, as we've already touched on, is the Material Safety Data Sheets. Always refer back to the MSDS before touching or trying to clean up a chemical spill. But some of the most common, the strongest acids that you may encounter are sulfuric acid, perchloric acid, nitric acid, hydroiodic acid, hydrobromic acid, hydrochloric acid, and hydrochloric acid. And the 4 strongest bases are lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and rubidium hydroxide.
Oh no, I spilled the base. When this happens, you have to make sure that you neutralize it with a weak acid such as acetic acid or citric acid. However, if you do not have either one of those, you can always grab sand. This is actually located right next to the MSDS in the back corner, back left-hand corner, right next to the baking soda. Now, we will pour this onto the base spill to make sure that we can neutralize it, and then after we will sponge it to clean it.